In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a Wi-Fi network profile in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings easily. So once a best match should appear in this window, you can double tap to continue or you can simply click on open here to proceed. So all you need to do is you need to wait until you would be navigated to the settings and wait until everything are set there before you proceed. Now from here, please navigate to the left side where you can see a list of the option and please locate where the option called network and internet. Click on it. And the moment you have clicked on it, kindly wait until you can see the network and internet settings, which is this one. So please proceed to the Wi-Fi since we're dealing with the removal of a Wi-Fi network profile and click on manage no networks. Click on it. And from here, you can see a all of the Wi-Fi network profile that you have connected or that you have recently connected or that your laptop has been connected to. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to identify the network Wi-Fi profile that you would like to remove and aligning to it, you can see there forget, click on it, and in that way it will eventually be removed here in this PC or laptop. Okay, so click on it and it would be removed here and retained those network Wi-Fi profile that you would want to retain with or that you have, that you will be connected to most everyday or yes, most everyday, most of the times here in your PC or laptop. Okay. So once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.